Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, your favorite place for the next big insights around cryptocurrency news and the new big 10x potential altcoins. In this video, we are exploring top 5 meme coins to potentially look at right now after the Bitcoin halving has happened. If you're new here, want to hit your crypto goals, do subscribe to the channel as well. Slap that subscribe button, guys. Let's talk about it. So yeah, just want to jump straight into coin number 1, which is right here, known as Wiener AI. So this is a completely new artificial intelligence meme coin, and if you guys have been recently researching the markets, you'll see that Scotty, the AI meme coin, recently went parabolic. So this could be another one that does potentially do quite well. Wiener AI, part dog, part artificial intelligence, part sausage. So in 23 hours, the price of this one is going to go up. They've raised $372,000 at 700K. The price will go up again. So overall, you can see I have indeed bought some of this token. I bought over $6,000 worth because I think it is going to do well. If I can make a 2, 3, 4 or 5x, I can recompound into the next opportunity. I'm not hunting for 100x's because it's not a pragmatic figure, but if I can make small wins in different places and compound those gains over time, it should help me achieve my goals, right? So at the moment, it's looking pretty good. We can see 1WAI is the ticker, is 0.0007. You can buy it with ETH or BNB. You can change right there, and you buy by connecting your MetaMask wallet should you wish. Overall, 548 million of these tokens have already been staked, and there's 1,888% rewards per annum. Wiener AI is the first Wiener dog AI intelligence ever created and the universe's most powerful cybernetic being. The Weenie is gunning for a top dog on the charts. So it's all about creating a community and a culture where the coin should go up in price. It says a sausage is born. Going down, we can find more on the information here. We've got tokenomics of 69 billion tokens on the supply, which is pretty generous, and 30% is given to pre-sale, 20% for staking, 20% for community rewards, 10% on DEX and centralized exchange liquidity, 20% marketing. Every project needs a mission, a vision, and a roadmap. Step 1 is the sausage army launch, and then the pre-sale launch is basically what we're seeing right now. It's just literally gone live, and then step 2 will be the Wiener AI upgrade, sausage army expansion, and then the influencer blast. So a bit of a sausage fest, right? Ethereum network takeover. Then step 3, we've got token listing. The long wait is over. That's when we're going to see it go live on global exchange platforms and could potentially go parabolic once that does happen. So coin number 1 is Wiener AI. The link is right down below if you do want to research this token. They've got 4.4k followers, recently celebrating that $300,000 raised. Remember, this is not financial advice. These are high risk, high reward entities. But we could see this one do well. You can see there he is, taken off to the moon. And the artwork is actually all right. It's good. It's memeable. It's marketable. They are getting quite a lot of impressions and overall likes and retweets. Coin number 2 is the Dogeverse. $11.1 million raised. Every time I look at this, it's gone up like $500,000. So obviously a lot of people are looking at it. The price is now up to 0.000302. and $12.1 million is the next target before the price does go up. Dogeverse effectively brings all Doge lovers together because this is a multi-chain ecosystem. As you can see, you can buy this with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Sol. And wow, they've even branched out to Solana now. So that is 6 ecosystems that you can purchase on. Solana was recently congested, but it doesn't look like it's congested anymore. So Cosmo is the dog. He's the character, the world's first chain traveling Doge, and it's all about bringing, like I say, Doge lovers together regardless of effectively your ecosystem preference, which is basically like, like you could compare it to, racial interest as well, right? People wouldn't go somewhere or speak to certain people because of where they're from. Unfortunately, that is reality in some cases. And this is effectively what how I perceive the Dogeverse ecosystem. So phase 5, we're going to see first centralized exchange listings. Phase 1, we're going to see the big bang, which is right now basically. And overall, I think it's a solid setup for hopefully a big pump in the future. 200 billion total tokens for Dogeverse. Great project split right there, as you can see. And they do also have some staking rewards of 100% per annum right there. Dogeverse, 9.3k followers, going fully multi-chain, and I think it could potentially do well. The future looks bright for Dogeverse with wormhole technology, which allows interoperability and cross-chain interactions between different sort of ecosystems. Here we can see Dogeverse on the Polygon chain as well. So looking pretty strong, guys. I think this could be a good one. The link is down below if you want to research on it. Coin number 3 is going to be SAFAN. Only 2 days, 22 hours remaining now for SAFAN. If you want to buy it, you hit that buy now button, click on your Phantom wallet and convert directly into your SAFAN tokens. 1 Solana will grant you 10,000 SAFANs right there, guys. The current raise is at $15 million plus. So if you are doing the send to Solana method right here, you're going to get those tokens airdropped to you. But if you do this way here, the manual way, then you can claim those tokens after the pre-sale actually ends directly into your wallet. So tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale is done. The date is TBC, but we know it's ending in just a few days. So they recently made another tweet 17 hours ago. It says, "Are you feeling lucky, sloths? With just 3 days left in the pre-sale, it's time to saddle up and make your move. Are you going to sit there, or are you just going to ride to the moon with SAFAN?" So another fantastic piece of artwork with lots of impressions, lots of engagements there. And also we've got another one here listing, or hinting at the listing of potentially a Binance listing here. And you can see that with the Binance logo on the plane right there. So that's also pretty exciting, guys. SAFAN, the link is down below. So we know meme coins are growing. $53.4 billion ecosystem right now. A lot of meme coins are actually still massively in the up, as you can see right here. Lots of green on the meme coin side. This takes us to coin number 4, which is going to be Shiba Inu, because I do believe Shiba Inu will bounce back eventually. It's now made a lower sort of drop down to 0.000026, and when you look at that, it's like a macro bullish reversal pattern. Is actually like a macro falling wedge. We could see a breakout for Shiba Inu if we are lucky. So $15.22 billion at the moment on market capital. It is down a little bit, but on the week it's actually up from the 2.3 to 2.6. So it could just be a small little correction in the market, and overall I do want to see this go up in price. SHIB army is looking strong, and in regards to this, the Shibarium ecosystem, where you've got Shiba token, Bone, and also Leash, there's a new addition coming for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which is absolutely bullish. So this again reinforces the Shiba Inu brand, the overall users, the volume that we'll see on chain, and could make it forevermore another bullish alternative. So coin number 5 is indeed going to be Treat. This is the official account for Treat here, and effectively Treat is a brand new token that's going to release very, very soon. You can see Shiba Inu has a string of releases up its sleeves, which include SHIB, the metaverse, SHEBA stablecoin, SHIBA net, SHIBA swap, and Treat token. So Treat token is a completely new thing, kind of like, you know, what we've seen here with Bone token and Leash token. So there's a lot of potential here, guys, with this whole Treat thing that's going to be happening. It says, when will Shiba Inu's Treat token release? It says Shiba Inu's Treat token is officially confirmed to be in the works with the latest 12 million in funding. Treat will be a utility and governance token in the layer 3 blockchain. It will also be the last non-stable token in the broader SHIB ecosystem. So therefore the ecosystem will be SHIB, Bone, Leash, and Treat. Treat will be the last non-stable coin. Then you're going to see SHE, the stable coin, which will happen, and that will be pegged to USD. So you can really see that Shiba Inu is becoming way more than just a meme coin. It's much more about fundamentals and utility. And do look out for Treat. I think it could be absolutely, well, Treat for. I would hopefully assume that we're going to see something good happen here. So make sure you do research on Treat. I'll drop the link to this Twitter page down below as well, so you can understand exactly what Treat is about. Thank you for watching this video on 99 Bitcoins, and if you're new here, do subscribe. Just to quickly summarize, we had coin number 1, Wiener AI. The link is right down below should you wish to grab some of these tokens or do some research. Coin number 2 is Dogeverse. This is one of my favorite meme coins right now. It's one of the best looking that I've actually seen as well. Coin number 3 is SAFAN. Only 2 days, 22 hours to get into this one. Time is running out. Coin number 4 is Shiba Inu, which is of course corrected now from the top, but if we see altcoin and meme coin season 2 come around the corner, we should hopefully see Shiba Inu go parabolic. And coin number 5 is of course the Treat token, which is not out yet but will be soon, and effectively this could be another good one to look at because it's going to be new. There's going to be lots of new buyers. Shiba money will flow into it, and it could be very, very exciting. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay crypto safe, and make sure you subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel.